Today's video's got quite a long title. WooCommerce customer support, how to reduce contacts with these particular pages. Let me dig into that and talk a little bit more about what we're trying to create here. So the best way to improve your customer support stats, what do we do? It's simple. You reduce the number of customer support emails or calls or social media posts that are incoming to you. So if you get fewer support emails, you can deal with the others faster and increase the resolution time for your customer support emails, giving you a better customer support experience, repeat customers, happy new customers. So what is key to this is providing clear information on your site in specific pages for your customers before they buy or before they come back to buy again. This information should be clear. It should be hidden in tiny little PDFs in the footer. I think you should repeat this information on any order emails or customer emails that you send out. Put them in the footer and always be referring back to them. Create an FAQ section or frequently asked questions and include this information in there with links to these pages we're going to talk about. Add them to a knowledge base if you've got one. A knowledge base is just a list of searchable questions that people have asked. Make it searchable by your customers and make it searchable by your customer support staff as well. So if a customer asks a question, your customer support people can find this and then quickly refer it back to your customer. If it's appropriate, link this information in your products as well. So what is the key information? You've probably already got a terms and conditions document on your site in the footer somewhere. This will be written in legalese and it'll be hundreds of pages long and it'll be written in a language that's barely understandable by normal people. That's fine, you need that. But I'm also saying you need some plain language documents or pages on your site that will cover the following. So your delivery details. How long will it take for the product to get to you? If you're going to say it's going to take 7 days, and the customer knows about this, they're not going to be emailing you after 2 or 3 days saying, where's my product? If you've got one of these long lead times, say a month, or if you're bringing products in from China, for example, it's going to take a long time to deliver to your customer, let people know up front. Have a delivery page with details of how long it takes your products to get to your customer, and perhaps even include that in the bottom of your product descriptions. Next important thing is the returns. What is your returns policy? Can people buy and return after a month? Can people buy and return after 2 or 3 months? Can they return something if it's been worn or used? Have all these policies clearly labeled and set out for people on the front of your site to reduce those customer support emails. If you've got a complicated product that needs a manual, make sure that's linked. I would definitely put this in the product description itself so people can have a look at that, open it up, download it, and learn how to use their product. So, example, if somebody's bought a drone off you, there's a complicated user manual. Make sure that's available for a person so they don't then have to email you and create another customer support request. If you've got a subscription product, a box that arrives every month, if you've got, like me, a subscription service that's repeated every month, make sure it's very simple for a person to cancel and it's not hidden. Don't be one of these people that forces people to phone somebody up and speak to a rep before they're allowed to cancel and then have the rep do a hard sell on them. That's not the best way to do business at all. Make it easy for people to cancel. Have documents on your site telling people exactly how to cancel. Next thing is tax, shipping and handling fees. If you've got this particular tax, let people know about it. Don't freak them out when there's this huge tax bill appearing on their checkout. And if you've got anything that's product specific, allergies, if you're selling nut products, for example, if there's a particular law in place, if you're selling alcohol, that might be an example. You have to be over 18 over here in the UK, over 25 in the US in some states, and where you sell to. So personally, what I do for my customers at WooCommerce is we go into a phase called learning mode at the start of an engagement. It's at that point where we collect all the information we need. We'll create those simple language pages along with our customer for returns, for cancellations, all that kind of thing that the information that the customer needs. We'll build those pages if they don't exist. We'll also add a knowledge base as part of our infrastructure that we create. We have a little live chat box. The person can go into that, and then there's a little knowledge base that can search for before they actually contact us. So hopefully we're trying to introduce a self-service model so our customers can answer their own questions without having to contact us. If there's a specific thing that we need to know about, we'll include that in our canned responses. So if a customer support does hit us, a customer support request does hit us, we've got a canned response to quickly reply to that and improve our service. Like we said earlier, we update the email footer of our customers focused emails inside of WooCommerce to include links to those various support policies. I'm going to create another video soon on how to improve your WooCommerce emails to reduce customer support soon. Having all this information up front and getting it done now really helps if you decide to outsource your customer support in the future. It's not only for you and your customers, but if you decide to offload that service or that burden to somebody else in the future. So I'll give a hint at what we do for our customers, but who are WooAce? We're a team of customer support VAs, and we work only with WooCommerce store owners. So we're all trained in how to use WordPress and WooCommerce and resolve customer support requests. So if you're struggling with the weight of your customer support emails, we are here to help. We charge $99 a month to take care of your customer support for your store. Check us out at wooace.com.